There are three classes of devotees: third class, second class, first class. That is also explained in the 11th canto. But spiritual master is the topmost, first class devotee. So a beginner in devotional service is a third class devotee who might still have some materialistic desires, who is still not very strong in the philosophy, who does not know how to sometimes behave with devotees, who may do deity worship and take the guru with great respect, but then again he sometimes fails in fulfilling the orders of the spiritual master. So this is third class devotee. This is where we should always think that we are. Second class devotee is a preacher who actually identifies that I have to cultivate. He cultivates love for the Lord. He has great respect for the spiritual master. So he tries to increase his love for Krishna, develops friendship with devotees. That friendship with devotees also is differently manifested. That is in the nectar of instruction. With senior devotees, we have to ask confidentially, serve them like that. And with devotees of the same or those who are initiated, we have to offer them respectful obeisances. And for those who are junior, we offer them, mercy by giving them instructions, sharing with them the knowledge, and and also serving them also, but in a different way. And those who are not initiated, they are at least chanting Krishna's name. We have to offer our mental respects to them. So in this way, there are rules. So he cultivates friendship with devotees, and then he tries to be compassionate to the innocent people, and he preaches Krishna consciousness to them, and with the envious, he just neglects them. Upeksha. So that is second class devotee, and the first class devotee is he who is always thinking of Krishna, who thinks that he is the most fallen, everybody else is greater than him, and therefore sometimes he doesn't even preach because he thinks, what can a junior preach to a senior? He thinks everybody else is senior, I am actually the most fallen. So he is always absorbed in Krishna consciousness in that way, in the utmost humility, and is always remembering Krishna, never fails. So Acharya, empowered devotee like Srila Prabhupada, he is actually from the Uttama Adhikari platform, the first class devotee. But he has accepted the role of a second class devotee as a preacher. So he is a Paramahamsa, first class devotee, but he comes to the level of Parivrajaka, a preacher, to show mercy on the empowerment of Krishna. He becomes a preacher and shows the mercy to everybody.